and welcome to this video. Since we've been working on our our kicking skills, we are gonna do a bowling soccer. So before we get started, make sure you have water and take breaks as you need. Also, equipment that I have a squishy soccer ball and I have a playground ball. You can use anything that you can kick. Also, for my pins, I have a water bottle. It's has some water in there to make it harder to fall. I have a 2-liter. I also have a bowling pin. I have a tennis ball container, and I have a water bottle. Again, go ahead and use whatever you have that stand and that will fall. To get started, we'll be using the 1-step kick and the 2-step kick for this activity. So I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like. Alright, so the setup is like this. You're going to have your pins in front of you. Depending on how close you want, it'll be easier the closer you are. If you scoot further back, it'll be a lot more difficult. So you can set up the pins however you want. There's no particular way. So it's going to be like this. Ball's going to be in front of you. We're going to start with a 1-step kick. And the goal is to knock down the pins. So we'll be using 2 kicks and see how many pins you can drop. So what we're going to do is I want you to do 3 games of knocking the pins down with only 2 kicks. Then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and scoot back and do it again. So it's going to look like this. So I have my 2 balls here. So you're going to start. I was able to drop 2. And I dropped them all with 2 kicks. So I can write it down. Game 1, I dropped them all with 2 kicks. Then you're going to stand them up. I was here, then you're going to scoot back. After 3 games, you're going to scoot back, and you're going to try it again. So now let's pretend I dropped them all with 1 kick. That's it. So I can write down 1 kick, all down. So remember, we're going to do up close, 3 games, then you're going to scoot back, up, and then you're going to do 3 games again, and you're going to scoot back again, and then let me know what was your score and how many times you scooted back.